Hi again, welcome to the lessons posted here in this channel. This lesson is about fruits. Normally they goes together, vegetables and fruits, but I did them separately. So درستهم يعني بشكل منفرد, vegetables بوحدتهم and fruits بوحدتهم. You will notice I'm not going to use Arabic because you can understand the words in English from the pictures. Banana, singular banana and plural bananas. Grapes. Apple. And there is a famous proverb which says an apple a day keeps a doctor away. يعني التفاح صحي وتناول تفاحة في اليوم يبعدك عن الطبيب. Orange. Pear. Watermelon, and it's named watermelon because it's food of water. يعني هذه الفاكهة يوجد فيها كثير من الماء. Watermelon. Melon. Plum. Cherry. Strawberry. Peach. Mango. Pineapple. Kiwi. Pomegranate. Fig. Avocado. Apricot. Persimmon. Blueberry. Blackberry. Coconut. So after I have introduced items of fruit separately with the pictures, so as you can see they are clear from the pictures, you can tell their names. Now I'm going to introduce some verbs related to fruits, and these verbs can also be used with vegetables. The first verb is I eat, بمعنى أكل. So I peel, أقشر. I buy, أشتري. I sell, أبيع. I squeeze. So I squeeze orange, for example, to make juice, عصير. I taste, أتذوق. I cut, أقطع or أقطع. Now we're going to move to a short dialogue using fruit. So it's between two persons talking about their favorite fruit. Hi, what's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is apple. And you? My favorite fruit is pear. Now we move to some expressions that we use with fruit or different things that we like or we don't like. For example, I like, I don't like or dislike, I love, I hate. So we can use these verbs or expressions to talk about things that we like, الأشياء التي تعجبنا, and things we don't like, الأشياء التي لا تعجبنا. Now, after we have studied some expressions and fruit items, we can write short sentences. يعني يقدر الإنسان يبدأ يكتب جمل قصيرة. So first, I like fresh fruits a lot. أحب الفواكه الطازجة كثيرا. I like apple, but I don't like or dislike blueberry. My favorite fruit is pineapple. Fruits are healthy. Healthy بمعنى صحية. So in the final slide of this short lesson, we are going to see a short dialogue talking about likes and dislikes between Jack and Mary. So Jack, do you like fresh fruits? Mary, yes I do. Jack, what fruit do you like best? Mary, I like strawberry a lot. What about you? Jack, I like grapes. Mary, oh, I don't like grapes. What is the fruit you don't like? Jack, I dislike watermelon. So as you can see, the short conversation is in English, and I don't need to use Arabic. It's understandable. You can understand it from the slides above. And thank you for watching. Thank you again for watching this short video. I hope it's going to help you. I try to include the most common items of fruits. Of course, you know there are many other items of fruit, but I stick to these famous ones. Alright, see you in the next lesson. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.